Welcome back to this exclusive conversation with one of the most visionary leaders in the world of luxury timepieces. Today, we are joined in by Adrian Bosshard, the global CEO of Rado, a name synonymous with innovation, design, excellence, and cutting-edge Swiss craftsmanship. In this conversation, we will explore how India fits into Rado's global strategy, how the brand is responding to the shifting consumer trends, the challenges of navigating India's diverse retail landscape, and the company's future plans for expansion in the region. Adrian, welcome to CNBC-TV18.
Thank you, Shibani. Always a pleasure to talk with you about Rado's journey here in India.
India is an emerging market with a young, rapidly growing population as well. So how do you see India fitting into Rado's long-term global strategy, Adrian?
We have our first roots already going back to the 50s, and already in the 60s of the last century, we have developed an important network of service center and distribution. And during the last years, India became not only for Rado, but for the whole luxury industry, a very important area. And during the last 3 years, really, in India, we were able to make even the next important step that will mean more and more Indian customers, they are enjoying our designs, our material strengths, and our uniqueness. And now, since the last 2 years, India became even the #1 market for the Rado globally, which is really an amazing thing, which makes us really proud to see that our strong roots grow on a such important level here in this great important country.
That's good to know. And so, having said that, what role does Indian market play in your overall growth plans going forward in the coming months?
We have invested significant amounts of money and also competence in the developments of our products in the last decades. And it's really a pleasure to see that the Indian customers, they recognize all these values in terms of watchmaking competence in the movement side and also in the material side and in the design field. That will mean the Indian customer became a very mature customer with a lot of knowledge and a lot of relation with the Rado brand during the last years. And this, of course, helped us to really be the love brand here for the Indian customers, and a country with a growing population and also a growing economy. Of course, it's an important base for our future growth here in this country.
Yeah, and some of the luxury products are not just popular in the big cities and big towns of India, but also there is an appeal and there is a market for these aspirational products in the Indian smaller towns and the rural markets as well. So how is Rado catering to some of these markets and some of these regions?
Today we are doing, let's say, 2/3 of our business in T1 cities, but we see also an important growth in T2 and T3 cities, even T4 cities. And in the end, the desire and the willingness to buy something unique, something profile, something exclusive as a Rado watch became larger and larger also in smaller cities in India. So therefore, especially also for the product development and also for the communication, we are not doing a separation about a customer from a T1 city or a T2 and 3 city. A customer is a customer, and we want to enjoy this customer all over India. And therefore, of course, also a small percentage of the business we are doing even in the e-commerce channels. But the biggest part is done in the brick-and-mortar stores. That will mean when we can really transfer the values and the emotion and also the competence of the Rado brand through the brick-and-mortar stores.
Thanks for joining us today.
Okay, thanks a lot.
With that, it's a wrap on Storyboard this week. You can catch all of our content on Facebook, X, and YouTube. Thanks for watching. We will be back same time next week. See you soon.